Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Luna price update, and the current price for Luna is at the $52 mark, and we are continuing seeing lower prices for Luna. And from the all-time high, the market is down by 49%. And what I have on the screen is the daily chart, and I'll kickstart the video by having a quick overview of what has been happening in the market. So from here we came up in a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3 and a wave 4, which took us to an all-time high. And once we saw that all-time high, we started experiencing lower prices for Luna in this ABC correction that is over here. And this ABC correction didn't take us to my target level, which I expected Luna to touch at the $36 mark. So that didn't happen, and at the around the $43 mark, we had a bounce back to the upper side to around the $61 mark. And from that point we have started seeing lower prices once more, and we are at this support that we have on the $51 mark. This is where the price is currently oscillating between, and I have my key scenarios that I want to pinpoint in this video that I expect to see play out on this chart. And the first one is that, having said that we are in this ABC correction over here, and the ABC correction didn't touch my touch points, my key targets, I expect us to continue having lower prices and touch this support that we have on the $35 mark. And that will happen once we break down this support that you have on the $51 mark. So if we start seeing daily candles close below this, that will be a confirmed breakout also on the 4-hour chart. And once that happens, we'll be unlocking lower prices for Luna and touch the $35 mark support zone that we have over here. And if that support does not hold, I expect us to even unlock lower prices for Luna. And once that move plays out, I'll expect us to have a bounce back to the upper side, and that move will take us to an all-time high. Also, having another technical view of what we have on this chart, within this ABC correction that we have over here, I still have an Elliott wave within this ABC correction, and that Elliott wave is over here, having my wave 1 to that point, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4 which is playing out at the moment, and we have started seeing a wave 4, a wave 5 which is in formation. So that means that in this wave 5, it's obvious that we'll be unlocking lower prices for Luna. So I expect us to continue having lower prices in this wave 5 and touch the $35 mark. And once that happens, we break that support and even have lower prices. And once we reach around the $20 mark, I'll expect us to have a bounce back which will take us to an all-time high. And if those key scenarios don't play out, we can still have a bounce back over here, over this resistor, over this support that you have over here. So from this point we can have a bounce back to the upper side and maybe go past this resistance that you have over here, break it and have a retest of that zone. And once we have a retest, we can continue having higher prices to the upper side. So those are the key scenarios that I expect to play on the Luna chart. And note that whatever I've said is not financial advice.